Sorry, it's too late to cry when the head is off. Hello guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. So before I go into the reason why I'm here, there is something I really want to show you guys. This is an apartment. This is the house I bought cash. I buy this house cash. You can see how it's a very big apartment. So if you are in the consequences of Bremerhaven, you are coming from anywhere, you want to come to Germany for holiday and you are looking for an apartment where you can spend your holiday, this is a home called a home. You know, this is one of my house I bought cash. So nobody live, I don't live there anymore, as you all know. So I'm putting it on B&B. So anytime, no, it's holiday now. This is the sleeping room. Everywhere is this. You can put your clothes. We have everything. Well, everywhere is okay. You can also cook for yourself. You can cook for yourself. This is the toilet. Okay. This is the toilet. I bought this as cash. This is the toilet. As you can see, I've already arranged so many things there. And here is the kitchen. Wow. This is the kitchen. This is the dining. This so you can cook your food. This is the washing side. Washing machine is also there. You can wash your clothes. So just contact me if you are coming from anywhere, you want to visit Germany, you need a place to relax, to call a home. Like coming here is like you are not going to miss your house, you are not going to miss home at all. So it's like, in fact, we have cameras everywhere, CCTVs everywhere. You see, it's well protected, well organized. This is one of my house I bought cash in this country, so I'm using it for B&B. It's a hotel, so you can lodge in and lodge out. We have code, so when you register, so through when you call me, when you pay, then I will give you the code. You can only use that. We change the code all the time, so anytime you go, then we change the code again. So that's it. So if you want to come, you are very free. As you can see, everywhere is so tidy. So like yesterday, I came this side to just see things myself, because when somebody lodge, I have to come and see things, how it went. So yesterday, I just came. See, this is a parlor, very big. I'm going to put TV here. I'm still trying to put some others. You know, you can't really trust people when they come. So some customer will just come to pick up your things, whatever you left there, you can't see them anymore. But I try to put more security so we can furnish it more to the taste of other people, what the people really like when they are in holiday. This is a sofa, you see, there's the chair. So tomorrow now, on Monday, they'll come and build the TV side. We have our first net telephone is also here. We don't have, but it's blocked now already, because so that they don't incur so much bill on me. So if you know you are coming from anywhere, anywhere, this house I bought it cash. Don't worry, I bought it cash now. You know, I get to us. No, me, I know they rake from my own. So now maybe they put another. But if they come from any country and in the world, you are coming to Deutschland, you need a place where you will feel say yes. Like say you not come off for us. Like now, this house in the middle of the road, you can see it's just at the tie road, and the road is very busy. Look at bar. You see, everywhere is busy. Even because of this holiday now, they've blocked the street. The bus doesn't pass through here anymore. They have to go around because of the summer holiday and the children. The street is busy 24 hours, you know. So just contact me, and if you want to lodge, just inbox me, and I'll give you direction after your payment. It's not expensive. You can shelf it. As Dutch would say, you see the wardrobe. You see everywhere is so beautiful. It's like you're in your house, Everywhere is so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is not the other. This is another house of mine that I bought cash. I don't buy 2 hours cash. This one I bought it 250,000 euro. I pay cash. Nobody go fit follow me challenge. You get money. No, my dear. You not get money. Go they tell me 60 billion. I buy hotel. I build hotel. Making a wall. Oh, you hotel. Don't get hotel. I did. Only on not back and say. 3/4 lodging, short time sleeping. No, ya bubble what? The urban and the social media. Come on, look at luxury or nothing. Hello, everyone. So let me go to the reason why I came online this morning. One of us, I got to use I go sit down for my parlor. Me, I be left for them. I carry my tea. Una get tea. Now, if you use a bedite duty in the morning. Don't go there, don't go try them. If you use a bedite duty in the body, let me the run a bedi bucket of They say now your new apartment be this. No, this is my old apartment where I buy cash now. You never first see this apartment before. No, nah, don't say this was the past 2 years now. But you know, say I know they stay this side. This are they you know say I'm over now they stay. So this side I bring me half and I be this side, you understand? So as I come on, most of they work for Nova. So I know if they from here they go that side. So that make me get on the apartment for that side. So this one I go be waste. So that make me put on for B&B. So that's not going to waste. I don't going to pay the money away. So since I buy a cash, may not be say you're the waste like that. So that make me one use them today till they get that money back. You understand? So that is it. I make me furnish and I just do small maintenance. No, I'm not gonna stay. I don't feel stay here now. As far as I know they work for you, I don't feel stay this side. You understand? I'm not verse. Yesterday I go party, I go club. I just as I come up from my city, call this. I know say yesterday, no say holiday day on Thursday. So Friday that yesterday, I just squeeze and journal. Me, this body not be firewood. If you told us, I don't say I not to do tea just like bedi. Because why? I want me my blood go back to normal. The temperature is very at normal. Because I know they do drink. As I go that club yesterday, all of them know me for this side. I said, you go that club yesterday. I sit down there, even the owner of the club. Then I saw somebody, they give me drink. I could drink, they could mix am with cola with gin. Or more, no see that is the sweet. If couple ice block for inside, couple lemon journal. In fact, the tea too do me one. My heart couldn't do. I couldn't do like person where I drink finish. You know say person where they adapted to drink. You know they had to know. As I reach us this morning, I just lie down. As I lie down. I still drink. I think I could drink one beer when I reach. I say cold because the thing they couldn't do me one. So as I reach house, I go say make a young one. Come just I can't eat chicken because I carry chicken come from Anova. No me now they cook now. I just carry chicken and some mede. I also warm 2 chicken. I just shop pan this morning. That's around 5:30 or 8 hours. Then come drink one beer cold chill one. The bottle still there. I don't say me not they lie. As I drink it now like that, now I say I feel sleep. As I look bed, the bed they turn me. It was turning me on. It was turning me on. It was. Ivie Eriyo, they say you don't mind them. So this one, all my vein, my blood, could they do me? They could torment me. My whole body could torment me because why I not be person they drink. So my body could torment me. Now me use tea. Torment them back in the crease. All right, my lovely amazing people, good morning. And this is Azama, my sister BJ. As you can know, this is the leader that leads with wisdom, the leader that leads them all. Yes, so I couldn't see. No say if I dey work and no be only one work I dey do. This my body not be firewood. It's just that God just give me that strength anyway. It's just like round the clock. I know the rest and I need that. And I make me run come this side yesterday. Say, may you see use that to they stay rest. I know they pick. I don't even pick call. I don't want to do anything for anybody. I don't want to do meat pie. I don't want to do chichi. I don't want to do anything. I just want to be on my own. And sometimes this body needs rest. Waiting. Wajari. Wanigire wegelire na wamaika migo ami eba wabuwa ibdo wane cash imo waweya One of women will bet you shock you. So I call the sisters Juju the fly. This matter now between Asaboro and Monica, I know say when you don't get hot, teeth and tat with many people, sometimes you just let go of many things and so that you can focus on your life. And when you keep fighting people, then you miss track and you also miss focus. And also you can also bullet yourself for your leg by yourself. So now make me sometimes I will just look so kind things, I will just throw away my eye. I bet when I share this video go help many people. And it seems like so many people are still backward. The people see they backward where they say they come. When you tell small children say they know they buy good, they know they shop. You go say that they buy and they shop. If you call us and say what the people buy and go say that they front, it can never give you. Say yes, these are the people that eat it. So what am I saying here in the real sense? This is good message. When I call Monica, when I see call my sister, come out, Asaboro, and I know she's always here. And these are the initially in the beginning. If you could go back to the beginning, when you see some people, they will say they'll be your supporters, they mislead you, they will mistreat you, they will make you. Not all supporters are supporters. Supporters can easily buy you a house, yeah. Not because they were supporting you. Because they want to penetrate. They want to go into your life. They want you to relax with them. Because if I will see Mama B fight with Monica today, it means me, it shocked me. You know why? Because after their fight, they settle, they come back together as before. And before you know it, fights come boss again now. So now make me, I don't feel shook man for that their fight. I just look me they fight. Me we see. He will win. We not go give them cup. And they could only give us topic, but me, their topic no interest me. You know why? Because they be two of them my wife and my husband. Now they use. So when I pepper the coins and use it. And you get one pot when mommy be go through way. When I did Nigeria, when I don't do my this to finish, I can't say I want buy pots. Because I can't see mommy be pot, you know, my eye can't do. So I can't call her. I can't say I want buy pots. I want buy that pot. I like and that 8 pieces of it. So because for my this thing, now I see apartment. And the apartment, I just furnish all the apartments down, you know. So because I want buy pots for each apartment, just to furnish all the kitchen. So now she can say okay. So and she said, this woman. Make a go not pay your father this morning. Oh yeah, come on here. How can you just be coming and come and commit rubbish? Are you stupid? Work on yourself as in what? Come help me to work on myself now as well. On a waya gbetse, on a waya sunza. Yeah, you want to do to take continue. Who can I associate with? It shock you. You don't see my house with buy cash in your way. Very local. You don't see my house with buy cash. You want try them? Now ready? Say nothing do to this morning. If you want cry, cry. See, it's raw tea, raw. No milk, no sugar. To stabilize my system. So she gonna say okay, she want a little that she gonna tell me say na Monica. Now she want contact. What she gonna say na Monica, she want go now cause say na Monica because I don't know whether na there she for buy. No, I just feel like maybe she order am for online. I can't even forget say Monica this airport. So when she call tell me say na Monica, so me I surprised say the same airport me say me want buy. Now she can go to wait for those. Be say you know good. Okay. We will wash. So that one can pass. So now make me know if you pull mat for their matter. So make people really come out smart for their matter. So if they talk and small, they go rest. You know, understand me? They go rest. So make anybody know to push this their issue so that we no long. We will not gonna deceive ourselves. You know, work. So now no say when this matter of Asaboro and Monica starts, when Asaboro cry out. Now no say I tell Monica say make you don't use juju threaten Asaboro. Now no say I talk her. Make you not carry juju for this matter. You know, person you go swear for. Yeah. person where you carry juju go swear for. No matter what, this is social media. You tell me, I go tell you. And you know, say, you yourself, you tell Asaboro word way big way for your platform. You know, say, if you they do, see, I don't contact side with anybody. Because me, I don't know what my sister Asaboro waka, I take wakarish where you did. Because I believe sometimes I don't do saga or don't pass. I don't know how Infinity Saga carry to left, whether that's the original one, whether that's the fake one. I don't give a help. But I don't know how he got wakarish Asaboro's platform. Yeah? We could be say they can't get Malabish. So from then I cause evolve Monica. You understand? So they call big for ground, they call the quarry, you know. As they call the quarry, they go. So we also if you say okay, well, no say so that normal work be get you. And first question I want to ask, double no that is my first question. Because me, na fire out and any day. Double no why you no be babani me make it on the art here, because when I look at around, make it how because again me have more bored with social media now. I regret it. I'm telling you guys, I regretted it. Even till now, I'm still regretting it. They again, no, yeah, because unumena also me ya la loy, ya mwe boy mu. I will not. You know why? Because the money waste energy when you're running. Yeah, where sometimes use it to prove where your innocence. It doesn't really worth it. Because we are when we here prove innocence women. Sometimes they don't want it. They don't want your time. They don't want your precious time. You just move. You move. You understand? They don't want it. You let go. You understand? So now they call the fight. They call saga, do saga. If you don't talk to your friend, lovely to stop insulting Mama B. Okay, Ivie Toto, this smelly Ivie Toto. Okay, good and fine. I hear your comments. You think I've not done that? I have done that all time with that number. You know, sometimes you leave people to do what is in their mind. You know, I believe she holds her platform. She knows what she wants to do with it. And she's an adult. It's just like where, now the same thing that caused problem between Mommy B and Monica so. He said Nelly Black they talk, Mommy B no talk put. Not be cause fight. And Mommy B saying talk put, she no hear. So now the same thing that you want to carry call here, so no. Everybody is entitled to his opinion. This is cyberspace. But my own, me Mommy B no reply lovely. Now today that they do saga, now today that she do insult Mommy B. Not be today, I don't say. So, and it's not taking anything away from her. So even the same Monica where she they support now, two of the don't first get them down. So if she decided to, maybe she feel that when she talks that her opinion, maybe she's right. So let her do it. I can't stop her because I've did that many times. I'm saying it on live video now. I have did that. I've even begged her. Even sometimes she stopped. I'm surprised now she continue again. So should I? We are not living together. We are not living in the same house. I have tried all my best to stop her, to tell her that this thing you are doing, I don't really like it. You know, people will say, okay, because we are friends. Maybe because I don't feel insult Mama B, that make me go tell her, make she they insult Mama B. No, it's not that way. She's mature. She's the mother. So if she decides to do whatever in her platform, it's her platform. It doesn't have anything to do. Do you see me there? Do you see me there when she was insulting Mama B? Do you see me there? No. So maybe she just want me to go out of her platform. That's why she keep doing it. So if she's insulting Mama B, you will not see me there. Maybe when she's doing another thing, I am there to support, to even call. So that is it. Who is calling? Fred. Oh, who is this person? I'll call this person back. I don't know, Fred. Okay. So you understand me, please? Yeah, I beg. You understand me? So that is it. Everybody we cannot keep fighting ourselves. So let everybody keep crossing their hearts and do whatever anybody wants. So the one will carry me corner different. So the one you correct for you are different, you know. So but my only thing be say this one for Mama B. Mama B, if it's possible, good morning, pretty hello. If it's possible for you to leave this your saga with Monica so that you know can't end for Juju matter. You understand? Forget it. Let go. Let it go. Please, I'm begging. Because me, what people don't like the oppressor. If they oppress somebody, if you enter the saga, people don't like. I own not the good. Because you don't get to do what you want to carry for me. If you carry for me, I know they answer you. Because you know why? Because me and you don't tell. We don't tell each other. We don't beat each other before. You don't curse me, I don't curse you. Don't laugh in my body. I don't carry the light to shoot your leg. So we go to move, they go like that. So that is it. So if it's possible for you to let go, finish, forget it. If not, continue. If you get chance, if you are there, wash. The other one they talk, if I get time, they cut and come out, I go see wash. Because me, I know they watch just their saga. I never sit at they do not see my apartment. Why they put for rent? You don't see her. Don't see my apartment. They put her for rent. This is apartment B&B where you can lodge and enjoy yourself. This is holiday. This is time to travel for holiday. You see? So go to Monica. So I want you to stop that saga already. You both, please stop it already so that you people can focus on whatever you people want to do in your life. Focus on it and forget about this on Kofu saga. Me, I know they see, no me. I know they said it where they meaning for his side. Those are the two people who don't say my husband, my wife, pepper them. No, don't pepper us finish now. Now only she they do saga. Go her page. Okay. So I will try and also call her indoors and talk to her as well. So she can forget about the saga. It's not making sense anymore. No matter what the one can tell us today, we don't hear around 20 years ago. We don't hear around 10 years ago. We don't hear around 5 years ago. My contact, okay. So if you want to, why do you need my contact, sir, ma? Because Asaboro wisdom. Why do you need my contact? Is it for the renting of the apartment? Or for this their saga? My saga matter. No, they don't call me for saga matter. Don't they pick up? I know if you carry a dick. I feel see chance to make money. And they turn and say now only yesterday, before yesterday. Today now I just want to rest. So from go reach tomorrow. From a month now. Oti bag bush. All this my body. It go turn to tissue paper. I know they rest. 24 hours I know they sleep. So I will cook from night till in the morning. I will see bath, run, go my normal walk. You know, so it's not easy for me at all. So I don't want just to get and I late this weekend and I also came and also rest. Come this my city again, this my place, come. You say no, none of them. Okay, all right. Okay, do you have something to write? Let me call it for you so you can. Well, let me see if I can put it here. Okay, let me put it here for you, sir. You want to toast me and they look for husband. +49 16063875754. So that's my contact. Although they look for husband, apply in person. See, and they look for husband, don't say. And I don't budget this from now to October. So anyone where I select, because the selection day na October ending. So make all the men see go me. I no want man wait don't forget picky. See go papa, no near me, oh, no near me, no just near me. See go papa, see go father, no near me, oh, no near me, oh. I dey talk no near me, no near me. I don't want to know what happened to you, no near me. I don't want to know what happened between you and your baby mama, no near me, oh, no near me. As I did my day. I don't want to call the verse me because I don't start again. No near me, oh. Single father. Or if you are planning to become a single father, it's future. No near me, oh. If you near me, hey. Okay. You be single papa. I got a bozo. My sister, please don't tell any of them to stop at their own will. We end it. All right, Francis G. All right, okay. Okay, I should not tell them. Okay, my friend, drink my tea. Because some my breed, they do me. You want. We had to go drink gin for club yesterday. My body they do me when you wanna. This tea help me. Lift on. Should I still lift on? No near me, oh, no near me, no near me. Apply person, but no near me because screening day. Screening day now October ending where they do screening. And if you just contact me, I will set GC for you. Jam, UNECO, WAEC. If you fail any of this one, I'm saying you don't even know an exam, but if you fail, you understand. So if you fail, it not be my fault. So if they come apply, carry all your manners. No pretend though. Because I go invite you, you will come. If you like, come video my toto, come video my house. Find the street to my house. Do anything you like. It not consign me. Because after October now, Oti Bagboshi, I don't base come up for that place, that area. That place where I for set exam for you, so I don't come up for that area. I know they there again. I don't work out because I don't choose us, but I go pack, go meet. No man they come pack meet me. Now me go pack, go meet the men. Now me go the house one after the other. If you like, set your camera down when you want to look my toto. No wahala. Set them down. Juju don't enter, make. So, same single papa make una no near my man. You know now, I don't tell them. If not, only one of this my dada now I will take swear for him. Single father. Where all these women don't juice you down, don't put and finish. No one carry na frustration coming. If you near me, oh, make a two where me I got tolopia. Make a tolopia, make a two where me tell you. So all of that, just joking. So let's go to the reason why we are here. The juju matter. No can't forget them. So it could surprise me say I see juju because when I first see Asaboro write up, he say Monica, I'm coming for you. Wait for me in the evening. I know I say this the matter doesn't finish Asaboro. You say I be one go comment say Asaboro waiting again. I share this on now I call the hear information. People could they call me, they tell me say actually don't go swear for no. No, person they live video call say you don't go swear for Asaboro, wait for Asaboro. Now see Monica go swear for who? Why? Now I can't go they fight the juju, they go for a platform. I don't see him. So I call they follow. I beg, give me application form. You don't fail your application. I beg, get out of here. You don't fail already. They tell me, you never do your you don't fail form. You fail exam. You even fail. Hopefully, F9 you get. I beg, come on here. Now you want to give me appointment. They never give you appointment. I been online who you want. If not online, I'll go fill them. I go post and later me go fill them. So my people, man, don't mind the wisdom. Are you still online? Can I call you? You they see me online. You say whether I see you online. Whether oh this man, no, you funny sha. I'm still online. All right. So just add me on WhatsApp. Or you can call direct anyone you want to do. They both are going because this number will be flushed out by October. It will not be in existence anymore. Because definitely I don't want to use phone again. Because I want focus on my new Ekia. As I don't they focus that October when I don't choose. I want to see how if any error did that my body, make I see as I want to correct them to my taste. So that if any error did my own body, when you don't like it, go correct them. So now do that October, November, because my marriage is in December, I know don't they reach grants. I beg for not never bad should be. I beg I should be say day. 15,000 whole day, 50,000 whole day, 100,000 whole day. 150,000 whole day. We get almost 6 as should be. That marriage now it go be like carnival. Now no me now. No say they do na babege and they show me. I know say they do show me. Me, I know they do something where be say they know they talk about. So my marriage must be talk. It must be talk of the world. You don't say as PC or yours be so. Yabo Joe. You don't say as in picky marriage be. My own go even pass down 3 times. Times 3. I dey like that kind of thing. I dey save money. If I the kind motor where I want use for that my marriage, I'm not sure say people that motor now hope it go pass. It go get like that helicopter, but it go be motor. They will from up drop on. But my me rockba. A social media now all cast. He go cast, he don't cast, he don't cast, he don't cast. I must cast her before I go enter as finally. Oh bona. So I want to condemn that at Monica. That's what you do no good. And I tell you, say, no carry Juju enter this matter. I don't know who they push you. And I don't know who they advise you. You will get children for his house. Yeah, one more. If you work it, if you go just son because they're dogging everywhere, you know, all of us we just book ourselves for nothing. No. If you check and trace and I come say everybody will come be they relate for you, they relate for the other side. Now my in-law, my sister, and I marry them. We marry for their family, you know. Tell me who go buy for this social media now? Who not go happy? You know, remember when I go sweat that year? Me, I rush, I go return my scores. You know why? Because I don't want make anybody blood in my hand because of may talk on social media, may words of the mouth. Yeah, you just be like, you know, see this Mama Melissa and Zimofi and my brother Power. You see their own is different. Is a different. This will not be you tell me. I tell you, their own not be. You are good to go. You are a see, that's why. Okay, thank you. You understand? So that is it. So you go come see and say, you know, work to the carriage you do the swear for anybody because nobody go buy will go happy. You understand? If they all carry somebody come and they write RIP, you see everybody go begin to cry, they say, oh, I don't repent. That everybody go they repent. Some death of people, no, they shake people again. They often say that normal thing for somebody to just die and go. It's not normal. It's girl, my friend, who they just tell me the face, say the guy died for Benin. You know, the thing pay me. I was so in touch. I was like, so death yesterday, being, you know, so it really touched me anyway. So, like as I was saying, the power was different because he said they come thief for his house. But people believe Asaboro now. Even if they believe Asaboro, doesn't have anything to do. But people still believe Monica. When Monica talk to Asaboro, tell them what Asaboro knows to know about. People still believe Monica. Everybody, we know each other for this social media. You tell me, I tell you. No matter what people believe, leave them to their own belief. It's only for everybody go catch cruise. Everybody go laugh. Asaboro say, may she go bring Juju. You know, yeah. I know. See, if Asaboro say, may she go bring Juju, yeah, she can easily walk away. She can easily say, me, I don't understand. It's just like, they say, Juju, where Mama Melissa goes to say, no, you know, good. You know, so and way. But today, the people will say, no, so and way, they support her and say, Dimofi, Agbek, Boa, you know, this kind of a thing. But initially, everybody say, hey, Mama Bonnie say she was being accused of what she know nothing about. If say I could know, me I have not remember my mom Melissa go swear at all. I will say, leave the Murphy 19 is lost, make it go swear. But she always swear, say, if I know too, make everything what they put their army good for them. But if you don't know, anything they put their army scatter. Make the Juju ask. You understand? Those are different things. Entirely. But when I give me love and like when I share this video, I will call offline. Okay, no problem. When I'm done, I know it will take much time because people will come. Some people are coming to come and inspect this my apartment today. So after today, maybe tomorrow I will go as my relax. You know, people are coming to come and inspect it. You see it? People are coming to come and inspect it so that they can come and stay for holiday. What is everywhere is so. I said I don't feel sure now just now. Everywhere is so good. It's good to go. So if you want, you can contact. Come on, carry. But I'm not going to use it for. You see the kitchen, very big. Please, if you pack your family, call you now for holiday. Now go enjoy. See. We get security, CCTV, everything. You see the camera is there, everything is here. So So you should see the shares. You can enjoy your stay. Okay. So like as I was saying, it's not really worth time for you to go sweat for Asaboro, really. I don't know advice you say me go do am if you not do am. And let me tell you the truth, if you not do am, since the thing don't die off, let it go. Because this is what people want. They want to create chaos. They want to create issue where there is none. Because they want to be happy. See, say people that they happy now say, okay, Asaboro doesn't go carry juju that say swear for you. Yeah, that the one of them want. You even the people where they support Asaboro, they enjoy and now say even Monica don't go swear for Asaboro enemy. Yes, those are friends, enemy in within. You think they are your friends, they are not. So don't let anybody push you. I see they advise me. Why me be one go carry juju that they say I want go carry juju for that woman, that small rat. Wait, person where the husband house. Asaboro say she get out to for food. Many more pound. Okay, even if at that. Even the one we don't come out before, what we don't know. Whether even the time when they carry want to talk come out, they say na me. You know the social media. Money cannot carry. I say na Ivie Eriyo. Yeah, one no, but the time when the truth come out, you see, say she talk about them again. Say Ivie Eriyo, sorry, I don't know. Say that not be you. She talk her. No. So this is like say I can go carry you do that. I can swear for all of them. They go just to kill all of them because I know say that not be me. Yeah. So you see, this is life for you. Even this AI way don't even come out so now make me, you know, say that matter. I thought put 1, 2. I tell Asaboro say, oh, Tina Asaboro, if na me be Asaboro, as it just happen so, say juju don't come out. Oh yeah, I bring my proof, come out, make everybody whole proof. So I don't know where the thing lies, you know. So all the juju that go so now, what na Yoruba. If not be say I be use again now say they understand Yoruba. For not hear what they speak for those things. I want to know what they talk. I want to know how they tell such juju. What did they say the juju do for them? About this one, waste of energy, I beg you. Somebody, if you don't go swear, for your rest, are the truth. You know why? Since Monica don't go swear, if you don't swear. Because first, your energy, your time, your money will go for it. Money will not supposed to take chop. I don't feel do that, you know. Except say, as that girl, your life for my head that day. When I say bring proof, people call me, people beg me. Me go, what to be one your drama dragger. I go carry and go juju. Carry big nail. He say no whoa. He swore ball. That's a ban. He swore ban your bug in our bunny. You understand? So he swore ban your bunny. You to book you know take no you to book you know take matter. I never need to swear for because they don't need swear for she don't go. Me I know say people don't swear for her because she don't go buy swear for say cat by the way she go. A case where she go, I be a kidding name where she go, they disgrace herself, go wear blue code, they dance and gather. For his come wear boot, so wife, children, so wife and children don't wear true way for dustbin. She go there, go pick them. Wear her for his son. That kind of people I want to me go with me. They breed that one. Mama, you are being biased now. Which side you really did? No, see, I'm not biased. I take bias. We are talk as I take bias. Me they tell you now say Monica not supposed to go swear. Asaboro not supposed to go swear. I got a bias. This is what I want. We don't tell each other. I don't pass. Nothing like bias. Nothing like bias for yeah. Not the bias for us. You see me if you're the bias, everybody know. If there should be anybody who know the bias for this social media than me, I know the bias because of if they can't go swear now. I know the bias because I know say that social media everybody is entitled to his opinion. Now my opinion they give. I know the bias. I don't as she can't go swear for Monica. As Monica can't go swear for Asaboro enemy. Now Asaboro don't go swear for Monica enemy also. So you can't tell me say I bias. No. Now go wash them. Now go they wash. Nia evani momo wogwa. And they push her. They push her to Ari. I'm gonna yam bob on me where the Asaboro needs to bring proof. That's what I said. In the beginning of this journey, I tell Asaboro, say, we need proof. Me, I'm not the fight person without proof. Gone on those days. Now make me the beat the young back. Now make me the beat some. Now make me join. Now make me prove body. I use it before inside this matter. Because I dey like proof. This one that Jamie where we did, where we know say police go give you proof. You don't go swear for your team we lost. You don't let people hear what. Eh? You understand? So, it don't work. Maybe people don't feel say maybe one person will come and call talk you side or say they take side. No. Don't be side. It is the truth. Nobody can get you for instance when they grow the come. There are some things you overlook that you pass, even though say girls want for instance. There's today that they call each other. Money can never fair comments for your platform, use the man talk, say I saw this one, they use the man to talk with the marriage woman not even supposed to talk. But now our platform, she get right now her opinion, now teach she did. She could just do at least they go. May they forget all this fight every day. Eh? You say, so as Monica goes swear for Asaboro enemy, so Asaboro should just relax. Seriously? No! Oh, scheiße. Du verstehst mich nicht. That is the obstacle. You don't understand me. Me the ask now say e good now as it be say she don't go swear now. Asaboro does go swear. Yeah? Not be Monica fe go swear. It no work, it no good. He said no to me. This is what I mean. If you don't take that matter to that level of carrying juju, because I don't feel tell her from the beginning, said, no, you juju stretching down Asaboro for this matter. May we see the tell her to bring proof. Yeah, may we see proof. No bring juju. We don't want to see juju for this matter. If the matter want die, may die come for social media. If they don't want to, Asaboro don't even rest. Asaboro don't even rest. So which one come be that juju now for inside? So the juju now where she don't go so now, don't bring the truth come out. Don't make her say, okay, she not guilty, she not wrong, she don't do this thing. Or she do one, or she not do one. Which side did you call? They are more with the wash now. How side did you when they swear since 1972 when they do anything? Did you when they don't the peace put on top? Huh? You know how many juju when they peace put every day? Don't be that country where juju people they hungry. Eh? You say as a mama, they use the man involved for the matter, take threaten Asaboro for inside. Oh, I know wanna leave me, beg. I like Asaboro go swear too. Okay, no wala. Wait, now get it. So as the both of them go swear, make we they look as the swear go play. End of discussion. Okay. End of discussion. So as Monica go swear for I know Sabi read, I no go school. So because sometimes now people they push people, they do what what the person not supposed to do. Because even the Monica herself, she they talk with evil marriage women never supposed to talk for her platform. She they talk her. So not be the one why Asaboro call talk. You said they go threaten Asaboro for inbox. So because they call threaten Asaboro for inbox now. So and now make Asaboro call rest. Not be now. We just tell Asaboro forget this matter. May go. You Monica forget this matter. May go. Then you go carry juju. No, you know what? You know what? Because you get children. I don't know. I say that no about do it to our bonok benugwa. Me man can do what make one ya where a bokwa. Me I don't know. You understand? I don't know. So you get a CB. You get a CB. I don't know. I don't know. Give them for the Wafam. I don't know. And I want the you get one Yoruba one where they speak what. My mind called day. You know, we'll call the no. You get why? Ah, hello, say. Now we dey so. You know good. Although the deal has been done, let's watch who lie. I say not be so now want. Maybe they see who lie. Okay, the deal has been done. Let's see who lie. And Asaboro talk many things yesterday, which I don't remember because I go club, go drink, go dey dance, go dey do exercise. I reach as finish now. My body could they tell me say, who send you message? Don't mind them. Okay, say Asaboro Juju na genuine one, okay. Say tell her to prove. Say I remember then you enter cemetery for a no game matter. You still go swear for your enemy. The matter no end like that. So why are you saying Asaboro should not have gone? And so I did not say so. I say whether they like her now. When Asaboro can go swear. You know, get enough is swear for me now. We. Where did you want to go? I call her from my side. Now you could find me trouble. I know invite her. So now I make her in life most miserable for the social media. Now go wash the hand of me and we for the social media. Now go see her now. Now go see her go take end. Now let's do say now you know yes me drag we go I was somber. Akbolu and reach there. Akbolu and reach there go there say like tell say for here. I drag and reach there. That's why they do my own thing. I go drag her. After I don't carry go cemetery, go bury all that all this lizard children. I don't go bury them for cemetery. I see drag and go away, boy. You know why? Because now when you reach there, you don't go lie again. They go sleep because only you use your mouth this way. Now what do you expect? Say they want do be that. Now what you expect Monica to do be that. Okay, if that's so, drag and go. The time you go so for drag Asaboro go juju, give her juju paper. Say me go bring juju paper. The juju paper now Monica supposed to bring. So I think Asaboro don't reach there. The old truth go come out. So when I don't forget the proof. Because once they don't reach it, they lie again. This one now, they go swear. If you say I do, I don't do. Asaboro go see swear. The what if Monica tell me if not true? Don't juju don't rest. Say you understand? So juju go rest. And I don't want to be the trick when we don't want. I make me tell Monica say we don't carry juju come for this matter. May we bring Asaboro bring proof. Like Asaboro said, go bring juju paper for me. If I go bring juju paper for Asaboro, if I don't go swear, then we're gonna listen to the conversation where they go talk for our or na palace they call drag nation and go. Then from there, they will say my Asaboro talk. Everybody, Asaboro go the record the whole side now. He go plan for us. What he go sub for them? Whether she go there, go change mat, or Monica will go there, go change mat. How we want to know the truth now? We don't know the time you want to come out and tell us say see the truth. Bible tongue, Monica tongue, Asaboro tongue. You know see the one where the buffy go to tongue, this one tongue. I don't feel shout, so I don't get power. But I condemn her. That be my take. I condemn it. My take on it is I condemn it. No matter how I try to bend her, paint her white, paint her red, because I'm going to see somebody like come back and saga. No. Not be the thing. Not be the real thing. The real thing is different. Yes. Pushing people to go and be swearing, carry juju up and down. Now no say juju they don't want to. If you not get to mind, juju not go work for you to start with. You want to ask. Over quiver. A bosenwe, one of me quiver, a boseda. Go and ask anybody. When I make quiver, a boy asks anyway, one of me quiver. No muda ye body no, gele buda, yes, he muda ye bona. Can no digbe no digbe. When my me was no yats ye book were bonny gewanoba. When my me, oh, we're bonny gewania. So there are many ways to kill a rat. Me, I don't even believe in swearing anymore. I believe in dragging you. Now only that person go use the mouth to swear when he reach there. I go drag you reach there. Because now there they go with that useless fornicator, adulterous woman, Anita Shaba of Lala. Now there be one dragger go. Now there, a desperado, a desperate woman who is so desperate to have everything, who is so desperate, who never see money before, who never take, or my damn go there, or my mikla na me go there, or you go my mute there, or he manage to munia, or what you lare you get the scooter, another mugo ni. Or sawe bowan get tell any we get in the scooter. I exact me or when watch the company near. You know, if you want to cover lie, you keep lying, 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 and the lie you'll be shooting yourself in the leg. Europe where we day. You want proof, you know, go see brick come out. A proof of ownership. What does that have anything to do with me? It does. How do you bring that money? Where did that money come from? Is it genuine? Is it genuine money? Do you work for it? Do you? Say, instead they put my white people, they put red head for other people comment. Can't they drop it? Please, one another put red head for people comment and their opinion. You write your own opinion there. Nobody should put red head. Nobody should insult anybody. Just put your opinion. Opinion it matters a lot. Write your opinion for there. Let everybody know your opinion about the issue. It's very important. You know, it's very important. Happy weekend, my dolly. How are you? Happy weekend to you. You know, so that is it. That is my opinion. And my opinion, I see that for example, my pal now the nyaga for years, so nobody there will want slap me. I don't talk I'm going to house. Not got anything to do with me. But it is wrong. Monica for no go carry juju for go bring juju paper for Asaboro. Yes. Now there will for come hear the truth. And the truth and they talk so my honor they pass the truth because they say they close door they go back on. The carry juju come out don't mean say they swear the juju. What if they don't close door? They return the juju. Go tell juju say my papa say I for not go swear. They say make I return the juju. When you don't return the juju, go come show you again. No. So that is it. So I not to believe in swearing. If for someone Asaboro go, I was one back. Yeah? As a mama, tell Erika to give his or her opinion, not put it ready. Nah, I don't talk already. You understand? When I put an opinion, but no red head, no hate speech. Talk and not my own, they talk and the way to be me. And this is way to be me, not they talk and so. So for that simple reason, I condemn that act. When Monica go swear, I condemn it. Now she feel go so now make me they condemn my own. Talk of age. She feel senior Asaboro. Asaboro feel senior. But she na mother. He say my opinion. They say you too they support about insulting people. One day it go reach your body. Which truth you they talk? You the crazy, you the mad, you don't know your mate karate. Which about the support where they insult people? Which people insult where I support? Which people? You never see me say about the insult person. I can't go call put say about say I'm a blogger. I need to go anybody I see for anywhere I go blog, I go put up for my platform there. I'm not the user on the shop. You see every time we just open video call they talk. Maybe I go dick. You try. You will get matter, go to sleep for stars. Go they drink, they enjoy, they go. Only 3 cups of gin where I drink yesterday. Nine turn me on this morning. All my vein kaput. Then you see me, I can go the chat journal for people matter. I dey crazy, I dey mad. Why you talk like that? Say Tony Kabaka never do you anything. No. When you dey crazy, are you talking of Tony Kabaka? Do you see me? See, you see me say I call insult Tony Kabaka. Bring the video, come about cutting insult. I always say it should not involve about parents. Isn't it? Isn't it? Is it wrong for me to say that? It's everybody's opinion. Because as Tony Kabaka can be, if anybody, they don't bond that person well, say yeah, Tony Kabaka the call, the person can go to insult Tony Kabaka parents, I go come out, I don't go agree. And the same thing I did. And I've been saying it on this Sabbath space. If you are having issue with anybody, remove their family out of it. May God forbid say anything happen to Abba's parents tomorrow. Who they go drag? Not so how they like truth. Who they go drag? Not be Tony Kabaka. Joe go there. They eat go say, hey, you know more fear. So when things are wrong, we say it quickly so that at the end of the day, he said, but Abba insult people's parents. Abba never insult people's parents. I've never seen it. Never. Before you see Abba insult person's parents, you don't say, maybe that person don't insult Abba's parents. Abba, they do many things for this, but Abba, you can never see to insult person's parents first. Never. On my way there, I can bet for it. Bring the video where perfect insult person's parents. You know they. So if God forbid now say, I told Kabaka don't bring life threats to Abba parents, they break everywhere, boss. They say Abba parents don't sleep, they don't wake up or something. Who they want? Oh, I bet they call. They not feature my comment. They not feature. They not feature. You know me now. As you put on me, I give her what me. I tell her as it tell me. I cannot fear anybody. I know why. Be a be picky. Tony Kabaka and my brother go ask her. Now my blood. Tony Kabaka and my blood will be causing. So if they do wrong thing, if you're not selling, let me say I'm not a good person. I get to tell her, say, next time I did not apologize. You know, say many people tell her because the people cut her for his ass. We have to speak it out. So they will not say we condemn her with the family, we condemn her. Saying supposed to not talk that word. As it does say, if anytime when you see about it, go wear. But hey, if you see about make it wear ram. Man to man. Any years when they meet that battle, make they wear each other. But me, they remove their parents out of it. Do not get a family for us. As me now, they do nonsense for social media now. Person say you want to go beat my mama, go try and face me, know the family where I come from. Wish what to Tony. Tony Kabaka don't run from you. If they watch video, if they craze, he say don't run from me. And I know they do anything together. I go ask Tony Kabaka. We know they do anything together. No. You don't ever see they do something I invite them. You don't sell for my party one day. We are just cousins. We don't do things. We don't run things together. They run your own thing. I run my own thing. I get my own power. I get your power. Okay, now maybe as a mama 60 BG, now maybe the runner. I mean, you don't hear me. They follow Ogbe people. They nyash to nyash. I know they do them. I get my Ogbe family. I get my Ogbe sisters. I get my Ogbe brothers. When they run things. Everybody choose your own path to run things who with. Well, come here, bye me, come on for you. Just could talk nonsense for you. They wash you. I never wash me. I tell them the truth. And he apologize. Say, about parents, sorry for using that word. Now they push them. That's what I go push her now. Not insult me, I not insult you. Now you say make person give his opinion. But the opinion we can't give you now you tally with the waiting with the talk for you. Waiting with the talk for you different. Just to put Tony Kabaka so that you cut that part, go give her for say, see I know they fear my darling. Not be this life. No, when I return. I want to have your mayor. Oh, line you with the Allah gale say go bear. Allah came in against when I get shaky. I beg come out. I not insult you. It's good to be truthful. When person do wrong, tell us the thing we do wrong. Are you going to church person parents? If anything can happen, they'll say na you and not be you. Are you want to talk and say not be you? You come out for live screen. Don't be say that phone and for talk. Live screen say you go wear papa, you wear mama. Which kind of talk be that one? And you say me I go support that kind of thing. So if they carry Tony, they go tomorrow, they drag and they go. Which leg I get one thing follow and go anywhere when they want drag and go when the thing don't finally happen. And he not get and he not get to for his side. Now they say destroy person he has now. He say no do. With all this church and all that, say they're going to drag out his go say that he do. He would also not be evil doer now. So we should be mindful of what we say in public. Mostly in social media. Things that will go viral, go everywhere. So they support our bats. Now that's what they say. So they support person. I beg go leave me. I beg me and go back to where I'm coming from. Oh yeah, oh juju, oh yeah. So that's how I was coming talking. So I not like that at all. Monica, Let this be the first. I'm not warning you. Let it be the first and last. You go to carry juju because everywhere now, you are not bothered the juju. It is 40 juju. I don't see another person, juju. I don't see another person. See, stop it already. Stop it. Don't let anybody push you, go to do all those things. You get children. Not to contaminate all these children's life with juju. They are washing you. Eh? It's not good. You could have summoned Asaboro to anywhere now, palace, wabumere, Renigivejeo, this and that, Asaboro Simehia, or William Moeneo, or Managiri Ereo, Saboro Miojuju Pepa, Bada. Then Asaboro Yakuni, Ibatao, Imo, no, matter go ahead, then. It's good to be truthful, but you are not truthful. I'm truthful. I'm truthful, Sunday patience. I'm very, very truthful. Yes. Like I say, it's someone Asaboro for don't see the truth now. Me and you for they enjoy the facts and the truth. It takes a wisdom person. It is because they go carry juju now go make everybody come believe say she don't do it, they don't do it. No. People will go believe. People don't go see ticker, no go see ticker. Even where Mama Melissa goes swear, say she don't get hand and leg for good way loss. They believe her. So they see the jacker. So people go, ya vie go dire, but where ya tiena, ya vie go dire, what have you? It's like that. It doesn't change the narrative of others. Yes, it's only taking wisdom people to figure out the truth in every situation. You know, some people just like saga, they like war. Me, I like problem, I don't like peace. I don't do that part. Yes. Now they enjoy. I don't know what they try to flag by. Let's see. You understand me? So, me and you for that they enjoy the truth now. Maybe Asaboro go say, because he tell me now, tell him back. We go here for the usual place where they go. Or, no, na truth, I get proof. Then, we go see here. But now, Monica go swear, Asaboro go swear, finish. Which year did you want to drag the person come out? Also, they like truth. Me, I like truth. Say, boss, I call it, say, Mama, please don't mind them. Abat is the only person that is voicing for the Edo people now. Okay. You understand me? Yeah, God bless you, colleagues. You're right. You know? So, it doesn't really matter. If you take 10 years, some people wait, they watch the side the fight so. Before that 10 years or 5 years, many people don't go. They don't die. They don't go hear the IT happen again. How the thing got to play. How the truth got to come out. Now, many people now for their back, they go hear. You understand me? But like say, if someone Asaboro say, go bring juju paper for me. Why Monica don't go bring juju paper for Asaboro? So that the truth go come out. So that we go, no. Maybe Asaboro go say, no. Now, as he tell me now, tell her. The thing go die for them. Then the truth go there. They will call you say Asaboro, so I tell you now you call the use of the rimaro will go rest. No, Asaboro will say, not true. CMO, evidence not come out. Everybody will call job come out. It's not true. We'll call they use that eye where they say our head, they look the thing. It's not true, that ain't be this. So maybe we'll cause it tell us, so you open and we'll see me, we'll check her. Because the husband say, if the brigger come and he go check her, he go know that his wife own because in the looker. Into his wife bekus. So what are we talking here? Like me, if I see my bekus, I don't go know. When they carry that naked one come and that they say na me. I tell they say not be me. I tell they say not be me. That's why they go use AI, change the voice, put the voice like say na my voice. I see fish sound and say don't be me. And last the truth say come and say yes, don't be me. Person will say do and say come and cut us say not be me. See who do and say vekin you are buried like banana. You are buried like, but if you are buried, you are about to get like, but in fact, if you talk is, you are be care you banana. Like being a vieille cat or a fear. It's a minute attack between fear one after the other. When it's a being social media today, or big go, or tobolo, no pocket, no boloba, everywhere tumble. So what are we not talking about? So if maybe by then the thing where Monica see talking about Asaboro, he go see come. Maybe Monica will sit and say, okay, maybe Asaboro go say, see what she see them. They'll see ask Monica say, no truth. Then Monica go say, now what did she see for something? So don't be to go swear juju be the thing. Are you sure? Don't check your conscience before you go swear. Now truth for this platform. That is why I like no truth for this platform. I know you like barrister because the barrister they join and then they do saga. That same barrister when they talk now. He and Monica never fed do saga. They never fed curse each other. Why are you people be biased? Why are you people be biased? No, they like truth. If anybody your join us, Mona, some person having the truth. No, we did in social media where Monica and barrister they fight. They saga themselves for you. Me, I know what I mean. I go to court now. Go bring all of the comments. Those past saga, they are past saga because they call the journal now. Now they say because I see barrister the cash cruise. Make una know for una head. It's just the cash cruise with una. Barrister the cash cruise with una. Not be social media where we did. It's a cash cruise with una. It's just the cash your cruise they go. No, relax. Barrister join una for what? Which truth? Because if they join Monica and they beat up my canal, now be the truth. It's not the truth because she have a one-on-one with Bishop Baker. So now make you the sell like that. Like say she and Bishop Baker not the quarrel. Barrister not going to talk all this way they talk because they have one-on-one already. So forget that part. No, check another people's part. Leave barrister out of this one. You leave barrister out of this one. She the cash her cruise they go. That's when the cash cruise. Monica never beat barrister for this social media. What we know. Barrister never flog Monica for this social media. What we know. We never able to tell you. When one person call for Monica platform say, if you see lovely for marketing, go snap her, go beat her, go do this, and I'm lovely say, if he cash you, he go carry dagger, tear you, he test on this ground. If you carry picking for scripted wagging, he go leave you, tear the picking tester. Not before Monica platform, before Apple. So one of the big hypocrites. Why the hypocrites? No truth for this platform. Which truth did they find for my mouth? Now what I say, my opinion, now they give so. We can't cover the truth. We cannot cover it. The time when Monica carry the cat picture come and say na me. Why you not go find out whether that's na me before you do one? Me and Monica never get one-on-one for this social media. You don't see me that they put man for a matter. No. I know they do one. I know because if you say me I call the talk and they'll say na hatred, I want to support mommy B, fight her. No. Even for barrister, even they talk for this matter, I'm disappointed. She never supposed to even talk for this matter. We go there, Jenna go there look. She never supposed to involve for this matter. Because as I see it as an 8. And they see her as 8 because she get one-on-one with Mama B. Now the truth. She be my friend. So she get that for her opinion. But for me, what if they see so now just the one-on-one when she already get with Mommy B. Let's say she don't get one-on-one with Mommy B, she not go talk. She not go talk. It should remain the fact she not go talk. Now this one after the cause wahala. You go say, Manda, you are looking for Monica problem. She not go sign you. Not write that curtain for you. Now the truth. You see me the saga Monica? No. You see me the insult her? No. So which problem? Which say now, if na person that call poor-headed for this comment now, you go say why poor-headed? Person they talk bad thing now. Instead of you to correct the narrative, say no. Now my own opinion they give. No need for you to correct that. Now this kind of comments, then they bring problem. If you don't sour everywhere, now call the cry when they beat her, when they saga, now call come and they cry. But when the truth tell now, no go like her. No go like her. No go like her. Now I'm going to cry. Now push Monica to this extent. Now push her. This what she did so. Juju. I don't push her. Shit on. Can I tell you bagada? Tomorrow she go say she be Christian. Tomorrow she go dey saw juju. Tomorrow go say that my lover go swear. Lover. I want lover. Me woman ori ye ko ye here see me na when ye muji wike. One again try. One again try. The devil I fear you might be finished. That went down useless and shower. I want to say now they send me money to the feed. Say this my house, I buy a cash. This my phone where they see so where it see so see. I buy a cash, I not they stay here. Nobody there. See, I don't show how many times. See, nobody there. See, nobody. It's an empty house. See, now I do hotel so be and be. See, nobody there. See, now yesterday, now you also call you. See, truth almost on the light truth. See everywhere. You see, I want the light truth. Where is the third truth? I go they cry. See, I buy a cash. Why see if you problem in there? There's a guy you swear you. Why so? You see, I buy this one cash. I not buy and say I suffer the pay. I buy and cash. See the best. See everywhere. I don't talk that to hotel now. You gonna give me peace. You gonna give me better money. You gonna give me better money every day. Holiday day and see kitchen. Holiday day now. Everybody they travel for holiday. See, my streets. Also, I like saga. I know they think of how I want to make money. Now they think of the one I want to go the true way. See, now street today, they know they see the bus stop here. Go see the bus stop. If you just go see that place where red light then and the bus stop be that. If you come down and check enter us. To pay us for this environment, this you know how much? You know how much? 200,000 euro. Cash. A year joy. I should not see any truth in my opinion. Forget. So now measure, not call the measure lovely for you. So that you don't now go tell and say, hey, come go see what your friend they talk for that side. Why they measure people name? Why not let everybody talk their opinion? Let them talk whatever they like. Me, I know some people don't go to the table my business and say, see, I not love you, they insult you. If you're your friend, the time when Monica they insult me when they beat me, Mama be not be Monica friend that time. So what are we not talking? So how can I now say don't be truth? You know truth there. Was it not true? She was there. Even when I went to the saga Monica, she not agree. She they begged me for his house. I said, no worry, go reach your turn. You know reach your turn. So I said, reach your turn. I mean, I could go join on the beat Monica. I could go join Monica the saga. Normally, me don't talk and say anybody will come up for Monica. If you Monica fight, where I be say he dead there with Monica, the time it is the wrong. If he come out that, I'll call saga the person. I don't know since I they done before. But I mean, just let go everything. Say, no need. God bless you. The poor kerosene, I be poor diesel for his side for again. Yes, she have to do what she wants. I don't stop her. She don't do what she wants. Me, I'm not stopping her. But in my opinion, now they give so. Say she for not go carry juju. Yes, she for not go carry juju. And I don't want to pay on her, so she for not go carry juju. Because some the opinion say don't go carry juju, don't go suffer for Asaboro enemy. But now forget say Asaboro doesn't go carry, she go suffer for her enemy. So, now that one I like, Abi. Now that one I can't like. Now that one I can't like, Abi. Maybe the person one and son and love. Person one and son and love. Now just want to love that person. Person one and son and love. Ask her. Any presenter anymore. When I go tell lovely like that, say, you don't need their help, you don't need the help, you don't need the help. Not be me now, can't talk. Man, not tell me. I don't help anybody. You say if you like, I buy your cash, I mean no. No, I couldn't pay you as I say I buy your cash. No, not be the new, not be the latest. That's how they buy your cash now. If I even buy pants now, cash I will take go buy ya. If I even buy anything, even this share where I stand on cash, those bed, everything I cash. Not a buyer. You said you buy that apartment cash, fake life week. Buy you people on this Facebook. Said you buy that apartment cash, fake life week. Buy you people. So now miss my own, I'm gonna pay you now. Say fantastic, I know if you forget you. Hey, Bezina, who's Eh? No problem. I know what punish you. I want to punish you. Oh, yeah. If you see my apartment, oh, you go shut up. Oh, it's too fine, not be fake. Oh. Oh, make you come, oh. Come lie down for this house. Oh, pull your tomatoes. We go dey see am for CCTV. I say, be my darling. Yeah, this is how we roll. Mommy, I greet you. Like we no gay. You know? Now we no like true. That's how the truth go dey pepper on for body no wahala. Cause you no get like we. Say na Monica fans they contribute to the problem where she dey so. That's why her children where she born for abroad no get passports and they push her now. When time don dey near for her to apply for apply for UK, all those reports will affect our application. Indefinite leave to remain in UK. All those reports will affect her application and even the children that woman should take a step back and think about her future. Her future in this country for once. Monica na una God o, which kind mumu people be this? Barrister stand for the truth. Now so call me later. Okay, mommy, I will do that. Nana barrister stand for truth. The time when I bully that same barrister that time. No, don't forget the time when you and I'm trying to get one. Wama bully no not bully her. No not bully barrister that time. I say nah call now. No will not call now. No even go carry papa video come and go to the saga again. I lie. But today I say she be the truth teller because she dey join Monica the saga bitch Okpaka. That is not the truth. Do you know where we did the no truth? When she go stand in between, you know go join. Because she not say yes, they do this and everybody else say she's biased because why? Because he and Mama B get one-on-one. They know they play. So people go see and say that because they know they play, now it makes sure they join Monica, they beat Okpaka. And the truth. And this is how I see it. Nothing but the truth. But I cannot stop her. On our platform she did. Now her opinion she they give. If it's right in her mind, maybe she they do and not concern me. And I not go come and call condemn her. No. Not go cause fight for two of us. So she did her platform, I did my own. Simple as that. I'm not doing same thing. I am not doing same thing. I'm not join Asaboro, I'm not join Monica. Now Asaboro and Monica matter now carry come. I'm not join Asaboro and I'm not join Monica. When the thing happen, I say I do video and I tell Asaboro say Asaboro you must bring proof. I know the support person, I know the support lie. As you see me, I know because me and Monica will not they play. I will not be enemy. Yes, that is the truth. The time why they support Monica, don't forget. So when they talk all these things. If not this matter, no say I for buy I for sit down, carry share. Go the saga around. They do the saga every minute. But no see me say I do one. I don't want to for sit and say, yes, this woman I true she they talk. I don't do saga for this matter. I don't even carry my chook. I don't want. But this one what you do come out. Now I don't like. I don't like. Monica get you for his house. Every time juju. Why? Why? This time, I'm not saying that they buff juju they throw away. They buff and give birth away swear. You take the grace of God where person go swear finish, say go get victory or go get justice. I say, I mean not they talk truth. I don't the saga her. Never. But I must tell her the truth. I must tell her the truth. Asaboro na my sister. She na my sister. Now my do people. Now all of them be. You know go. You know good. Because of the children. This is why I'm saying it. If not let she know her single. Let she do anything what she like. But I'm just saying it because of the children. She should stop it already. I beg man no push him again. You know good. The thing he pay me. He pay me. Now I don't love you. Go see what you do. He go not say it bad. He go tell you. Say this thing bad if you not do it. The only thing wey me for love is for someone Asaboro. Carry juju people drop am. The energy wey she take go sweat such for you and take go carry juju give Asaboro. Say, oh yeah, come explain. We want to hear the truth. All that 24 hours, the truth for don't come out. Proof for don't come out. Because you people, some people they done for this social media. I don't know what they play. I don't know what they play. But I remember say Monica tell Asaboro many words. Now remember, and she go swear. Now they think. Not be you tell me, I tell you. Not be you not tell they would they survive for this social media they go. Waiting not the person body you put on you use needle swang. The person go carry this tribal mark, they go like a tribal mark. Not be we take the day for this social media. What we see what no good, we say good. Not be many people they survive for this social media. Not be. So I must tell her the truth. Cut here, I'm gonna tell her. Say me, I condemn her. Person go catch the waka, go carry juju. For what? They do it. Why you? Anyway, I had here bonny. Why I some more? Anyway, I some more 20,000, 50,000 naira. Eh? I have some more, ma. Who some more? Eh? Who drag? Eh? It's a man we not carry juju on this matter. God bless you. You scare them. You know what made the truth come out. Okay, good and fine. You say you get them. You say those things. No wahala. Take juju people. We want the we need the proof. You swear. Give person. The person go swear give you because why? If what you tell her the truth. You see, tell me which juju one can react for them. You swear. She go swear. Say wait till you talk for her, but if not truth too. I don't want to be the proof when I son I want to be. Like me now we could talk down and say me I not get sense. Eh? I get sense. I get sense where. We for the okay. You understand? You tell Asaboro many words, she tell you many words. Then we go, we move. Aqua we don't have a toy of Yamwebo. Or I aqua we don't have a toy of Bogimu. Be careful. Don't let anybody push you, Monica. Let me tell you. No, you remember when I dealt with Monica that time, that way the smart matter happened. I beg Monica, beg. I beg her. I said, Monica, beg. This matter you are no rich, beg. I don't say. Nobody say all that way. They say all that way. Where you join Monica that time. Push her. They say get proof. Nobody say all that way. They bully Monica. I don't want you to block that video. That video, I be don't cut and finish. Make I put off my platform. This life no balance. They say all that way where they Monica. Hey. They say all that way and they bully Monica today. You not shock you. You not shock when today say the same more David. When I say that video, I laugh. I laugh in Chinese. No, I laugh in Japanese. I laugh in frog. I couldn't laugh. But that year when I tell Monica, say, no, listen to all these people. They call it push you to your end. She listen. I said, Monica, beg. That one, now see, I'll not be passing again. Tomorrow, no, I'll see talk. If Lovely doesn't there against them tomorrow, that one, they call, say, Lovely, a mad person. So then they tell me, say, that one, a person. But that time when she did, Monica, they call, second the command. I tell Monica, I said, don't do this. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Please. This is going to just to you. Go result swear. But today, tomorrow, now they saw what they saw now. We see the wait. We see the wait. We are still waiting. Let me play the talk and say, all this thing, all of the dog kaput. Monica for someone Asaboro. Me, I for like her. You see, that make me, I stay my home so that I will not go do like network with no day balance. Say nah, and they so wash. You understand? So, you know wood, you not good at all. I'm not going to tell him the truth. Make you stop this juju matter. Now me go fit tell him. Why is it at my head? Why is it at my head? Even when this bike can matter one start, I tell her, say, stop. I still do a video. No go. The black. I say, no go. Forget this matter. Because where this matter will go end, you know, go like on yourself. But today now she know they do saga again with Mommy Bino. But Mommy Bino will stop. You see, huh? But today no, they thought Mommy Bino see good. But that time the hella, even in the black, not the hella for na platform, even she herself hella, the shakeable shaker, the takeable taker. Come, he's coming. He goes, yeah, but today they don't be friends again. Is that what you people want for her? People, all the people who have stood to fought for her. They are all leaving. She's losing them one after the other every day. It's very, very necessary. As I did now, it's not easy. Before I feel buy this my house cash, it's not easy. So don't let them bother anybody, even though I thought I buy a cash. It's just a main word. I feel buy something they pay. It's just a main word. No me say I'm not buying or whatever. Not be here this day, everybody know. This one is Bremerhaven, and they stay there, this house. And you know how they stay for an over. So you understand me? So you say Ivie Eriyo and oh, I want to let that message come past now. I want to read that message. So Asaboro is sorting Monica young pikin enemy na saga. Isha all the my daughter bank. Okay. Now you say oh. Give one comment where I say. Oh man, let me see that comment. If I know, I know what like comment. You believe everything Asaboro said. Ivie, rest. Oh, okay. Ivie, you and Anita are friend. No, we'll not be friend. You know, see, I don't believe anybody. Oh, see, if blessing you just they come. Don't know say what this matter happen. I don't want to repeat myself. Don't they draw me go back? As I did in Italia. I think I go club yesterday. I want bath me, I sleep again. Me, I relax on my vein. I beg. I talk and just and say, me, I know if I support Asaboro, say everything Asaboro talking the truth. Then you miss I also go support Monica, say everything Monica talking the truth. Not be you tell me, I tell you. Not be I fair talk since. You telling me, I telling you. Now una go big person. The same una go tell the person how to cry. Oh, Sherry, Zigbe, Okobowa. Call my sister. So you don't like her now. As I told her, they carry juju. I mean, my question for you. You don't like her. Say that one I want to prove her innocent. Say she not do. So I'm gonna for believe and say she not do. I want to use one person to do example for you now. I be no one make sure your name, but I want to make sure for reference purpose, not for anything. Now, no say me and that person we get issue. When we get issue, I call you and say, my friend, tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. You really do this thing. Tell me. I don't say you come and call the Sagami. Sagami. So they carry me picture, come and make her for shut up. you see me say I don't support her. That person was supposed to be my friend. But I don't support her. I don't support her. I said, no. This one is what you fight for. Why you going to fight for adulterous? You're going to tell me that the year now say you commit her. No. I'm not going to agree. Because people now go say, accuse us, say, so we they fight blind fight.